Okay, I just got my order from Great Garden Plants. It just came today, and I ordered red creeping thyme, 5 of them, autumn glow toad lily, those are fantastic for shade, and pearl glam beautyberry, 3 of those, because I have decided I want to get rid of some of these builder grade shrubs in my front garden bed and put in the beautyberry. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right, this is the toad lily. Look at it. I did not expect it to be so big. When I've planted toad lilies in the past, I've ordered them and they've just come as like the root to plant. This is awesome. All right, and this is a red creeping thyme. I'm planning to put these over in our flagstone pathway. They should have these really vibrant purple blooms and they don't get too big, and oh, they'll feel so good to walk on. Here is one of the beautyberries. And now I'm thinking it's gonna be a while before they fill in. I think I'm still gonna do it. I think it'll be okay that the front garden bed has some shorter plants for a while. And another red creeping thyme. Beautyberry. I ordered these because Great Garden Plants was having a 20% off some type of plant, and it applied to all of these. They run some really good sales, so you might have to be patient and wait to make your purchase till they're running a good sale if you want to save some money. All right, beautyberry and red creeping thyme, and 2 more red creeping thyme. All right. Okay, I'm gonna grab my hose link, 100-foot hose, and bring it over here and give these guys a drink of water. And then I'm gonna ideally get them in the ground this weekend.